Take fresh milk and boil it. And on medium to low flame boil for 5 minutes like this. Add milk in vessels. Shake milk like this for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave milk for 5 to 6 minutes to cool down. Take a 1/4 teaspoon yogurt and add some water. Add yogurt and milk. And cover your vessels with some weight. Leave it for min 6 hours. After 6 hours, leave it in fridge for 1 hour. Now perfect yogurt is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.